Hi friends, welcome to Marine Shouters video channel. Today we are going to discuss the thermistor protection relay. In last video we already discussed about the thermal overload relay and how it works and how it represented in the circuit diagram and what is the IEC number for representation of that, and that is represented by 51. And if you didn't watch that video, I will provide it in the I button. The link is provided in I button. Okay. Anyway, we are going for this thermistor protection relay. The overcurrent relay or over thermal overload relay can only protect motor in case it is drawing more current. But if the winding temperature is too high due to the running, like if it is got single phase operation or insufficient cooling, so there will be no such arrangement for tripping the motor or cutting out the supply to the motor so that it can save the winding installation and all. For that purpose, we using the thermistor protection relay. The thermistors, the thermistors are the PTC sensors, like temperature sensors. It is incorporated in the windings like this. This is a three-phase delta winding of the motor, and there is here these are the sensors, and these sensors will sense the temperature of the winding during running, and if it is more, it will give a feedback to the relay. If the temperature means exceeds for a certain limit value, the relay will cut off the supply so that the motor will go trip. Normally you cannot find it in small motors. It is only can find it in bigger motors like our ballast pump motors, this Premo, the hydropower packs motors, electric motors, like that. Okay, it helps in heavy duty starting rapid cycling, and it also useful when the single phasing of the motor, of course. So any of the winding got higher temperature, it will got trip the motor. Okay, how it's this is the working of thermistor protection relay, and okay, this is how the PTC sensor represents. For as per the IEC code, IEC standard, it represented as the number 49 in the electric circuit diagram. Electric circuits. Okay, 49. Just remember this number, and it also represents the mostly it's an incorporation of the motor, so just you can find out the 49 number in the circuit diagram. Mostly it won't be seen like that, but at least you know what is it and how it represents. And for small motors it's not common, because for small motors it's not necessary to provide this kind of sensors. Only you can find it in the bigger motor electric circuit diagram, like ballast pump. You can search for the ballast pump starting diagram. You can see the thermistor protection relay in it. Okay, this is all about the thermistor protection relay, and if you have any feedback or suggestions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you friends. Bye bye.